Okay, well, no longer building anything anymore for the glam site. I'm now just running a glam site. And part of running a glam site is that, there's seasons and seasonal changes. It's hot, it's cold, it's raining. About to get into the cold season, so I have these two space heaters that I purchased on sale like a year and a half ago. They were on sale. These things are like, I don't know, close to $100 now. I got them for way less than that. They've just been in storage at my house ever since. I mean, I've used them a couple times myself, but I originally bought them for the glam site. And so today I'm gonna go out to the glam site and put these things up. Also, I had a special guest staying. It's gonna help promote the glam site. And instead of me paying the $70 cleaning fee, I'm just gonna go do it myself. I'm also gonna stop by Walmart on the way there because we've got three sets of linens for the beds, but I'm gonna get one more and put it out there. The cleaner cleans them. She takes them home and washes them, and then takes them to the laundromat, washes them, then brings them back. I don't know, she does it at home, and then brings it back, changes it out every time. But having one more set will help the wear and tear on those. Plus we'll have a little bit of a different look. It won't just be the blue flannel. I'll see what they have at Walmart, and then I'll take that out there. All right, so made a little detour. I saw the leaves turning on the trees and wanted to see what it looks like from the top of Little Long Mountain. So about to hit this trailhead here. It's 0.8 miles out, 0.8 miles back, so 1.6 miles, not far. Should be there shortly. Trail's that way. Trailhead's that way. Let's see what we can see. All right, this is the top of Little Long Mountain, 922 foot in elevation. Part of the Uwharrie National Forest. It's a bald up here on top of the mountain, but you can see mountains across the way. In the wintertime, you can see the mountains across that way. You can see out into the Piedmont Valley Plateau, and you can see all of the other Uwharrie Mountains over there. It looks much closer and much bigger with your eyeballs than it does on camera. But you can see we're up on top of a mountain. And there's mountains surrounding us. It's really rocky, but that's what the Uwharries are. They're monadnocks, which are remnants of a gigantic mountain range. Weathered down to nothing but the rocks. But yeah, I definitely suggest you hike up here. It's literally 25 minutes away from the glam site. And I got up here from the trailhead in about 17 minutes. It's like 0.8 miles. It's a moderate hike. You go up some hills, but it's nothing that nobody can't do as long as you stop and take breaks and bring some water with you. Anywho, I'm gonna head back down to the bottom and head back to the glam site. Finish the stuff that I actually came out here to do. I just couldn't help myself. I needed to see that view. I'm back. I think I got like maybe an hour and a half of daylight. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I had some visitors and I needed to bring some stuff up here anyway, so I didn't have the housekeeper come out here. I came out here by myself just to clean up. And we'll see what all we need to clean. Looks like they brought some candles and they left some candles. They used the oven. Cover's right there. Why'd they put the cover on the cooler instead of the cover on the oven? But it's all good. It's all good. It's okay. My housekeeper cleaner, she usually takes care of all this stuff, so I don't even really see what it looks like after a guest leaves. I see what it looks like when it's clean. So I guess we'll get to cleaning. All right. You know, I really appreciate my cleaner now. I understand why it takes her an hour and a half to clean this thing. It's not as easy as you would think. And that's even after people clean up after themselves. Like, the inside of the tent was clean. I just swept it out one more time. Didn't even get anything. The bed was made. Like, I remade it with clean sheets, but it was made. The outhouse was clean, and they restocked it and flipped it over. Like, that was clean. But there was like leaves everywhere, and the outdoor kitchen, you know, it was clean, but it needed to be cleaned. And just doing all of that and switching all those things over and taking the trash out and stuff. Now, my neighbor did stop by and I talked to him for like an hour. He's cool. He lets me know when people are here, in case there's people that are supposed to be here that are not. Plus, I got a security camera back there on one of those trees. Don't worry, can't see you in the tent or the shower, but I can see who comes up and leaves the property. But yeah, it's dark now, I haven't turned the lights on, but I brought a space heater there, and there's a space heater upstairs. I'm refilling the water jug. I think I'm gonna have my cleaners just buy 4 gallons of water and bring it with her every time. Because I bought 4 gallons of water and I have to clean it because, you know, we use it's gonna get dark here in a second. Here we go, it's getting dark. Oh no, it's dark. We use the sink there to clean the stuff with, the outdoor sink. You hear it still draining. I just cleaned everything, but you know, I use the hot water from the shower to clean it, right? You just take the bucket and swap it over. But you know, it takes a while to fill that bucket up. It's only like a gallon and a half of 0.75 gallons a minute coming out of that thing. It's nice and hot though. But yeah, it takes a while. And I really appreciate my cleaner. If they had I'll find their link and I'll put it in the description so that you guys, if you're in the area, can use her for your Airbnbs because she's great. Anywho, thanks for watching. See you next time.